This is a short presentation on how to assemble a Geberit media butt welder. The media welder will butt weld Geberit HDPE sizes 50mm through to 160mm. First, it is crucial to check that you have received all of your components to this welder. The kit consists of the following components: the media base or the substructure, the electric plane, the welding mirror or the heat plate, the operating arm and the mirror arm, the two V-blocks, tensioning devices, 50mm, 56mm, 63mm, 75mm, 90mm, 110mm, 125mm and 160mm. Step 1. Set up the substructure on a rigid foundation. Step 2. Unlock the guide bar and slide the electric plane onto the bar. Step 3. Slide the heat plate onto the guide bar and then lock the guide bar back into its position. Step 4. Slide the mirror arm into its housing. Step 5. Slide the operating arm into its housing into the substructure. Step 6. Slide the V-blocks onto the substructure and then lock them off. Step 7. Adjust V-block to suit pipe size. Step 8. Adjust the screw so there is room to play when you slide on a tensioning device. Then use the tension lever at the end of a welder to tighten. Repeat this at both ends. The media welder is now ready for use.